also how you can organize your Lego too if you wanted. I'm going to show you how I organize like my sets, my Lego sets, and also how I sort all my loose parts. So yeah, let's get right into this. Over here at the table where I do most of my building right here, I organize my Lego right here in some of these boxes right here. These are just mainly like the small ones. So right there we have like axles. So you can see these are like even axles. And these ones are just all like the uneven ones. And this one is just the ones with like knobs and stuff on the end. Such as the axles, there's pins. This, like half of this section is all like Technic stuff, is what I've made it kind of. That half like right there. And then right here we just got some like miscellaneous stuff kind of. And from right there, all the way down is 1x1 bricks. A lot of white and yellow ones. So 1x4 bricks, that's just a few of mine. But the next one right here, this is tiles, so 1x8 tiles. It's right there, and then it goes from the biggest type of that piece, down to the smallest type of that piece. And then I made it so it's 2x4 tiles, and then 2x2 tiles at the bottom. And this is just like kind of like weird shaped tiles in this box right here. That's what I put in there. I got some other stuff in these boxes. Some other stuff I organized. And then off to the side, I'll grab it for you. Right here, this is actually my minifigure box. So this is where I put all my minifigures that are taken apart. So I can kind of see them. I don't take many of my minifigures apart anymore. But I just keep the minifigures with the sets. But these are all like my loose minifigures in here. So yeah, that's if you wanted to see it. I'll just show you a little bit more. So that's how I organize my minifigures right here. Let's do that. And also, I'll show you the bottoms of these. So in these bottom containers right here, these are like most of my like smaller printed pieces. So there's like some interesting ones in here. I got the Mixel pieces. I got Mater Mouth, which is a very weird piece. These are the printed ones. And then over here is stickered. This one has a few prints on it, it's just a dice, so I just stuck that in the printed one. But yeah, this one over here is stickers. I got nice smaller sticker pieces in here too. So that's these sorted drawers, so I'll show you some more. To the left of where I was just showing you, there is these boxes that kind of look like wood. That's what like, yeah, pretty much they're just cardboard with like this paper sticker stuff on the outside. But this is the window box right here. These ones hold a lot of pieces compared to these ones. So these ones I use my smaller pieces in pretty much. There's just some plates. There's a lot of pieces in these ones. And you might notice that some of these are missing. That's just because we don't have all of these pieces for them yet. So we'll get those on eventually. But down here in this one, in like this whole row of these taller ones, is all the big plates pretty much. So you know, they're like bigger sized plates in those. And then down here there's just some stuff. And we still don't have all the boxes yet, so that's why that's empty down here too. There's just some bags. Some piece separators in there, you can kind of see right there. And yeah, that's some of the stuff down there. But yeah, these are these sort of drawers right here. These ones hold a lot of our like big pieces, main pieces that we use for a lot of stuff. So if I can get this open, it doesn't have a handle. But this is like half of our 2x2s in there. Actually, I think a little less than half. But yeah, that's some of the big bricks. Here's some 2x4s. This is a lot of the building bricks. So yeah, that's what these ones are. To the left of these boxes that we just looked at, there's some more sorter drawers. Right here's that one, and that one. This right here is just our instructions. You might have seen this in my room tour video. If you haven't, it's just where all of our instructions are. Well, most of them are. Some of them I still have in there, like their boxes with the set. But yeah, this is like where all the loose instructions are. There's just more over here. There's a lot of instructions. And this right here, there's just some pieces here if you want to look at them. You can kind of see them right there. So that looks like. There's the arc fighter right here on top of this, but sorting down here, this is like some curvy type of pieces, so like round bricks are in here for like trees and stuff. Some curvy pieces, and then this one, whoa, so the sand guy just fell. So, but down here,
This one is just like pretty much miscellaneous. There's not really like a selection of that. This one down here is just like bigger pieces. There's a lot of bigger pieces in that one. But this one over here, got another one of these soda drawers that I showed you earlier. This one has more tiles on it, right there. It has a lot of stuff, and then the bottom right here, it's actually just overflow. So, like in our boxes over here, we have a lot of 2x4 plates, like a lot of them. So they've overflown into here. We have so many, but 1x4 plates too are up here. We tend to like overflow with them. So yeah, that's what that one is. To the right of these ones right here are my brother's. So right here, he just pretty much has a lot of black pieces in his, and like light gray and dark gray pieces are a lot of what he has in there. You can kind of check him out right there. But that's what he has in there. He likes the black pieces. And then my other brother's stuff, he likes white pieces. So they like the opposite color on the color wheel of pieces. But you can tell there's a lot of white pieces in these ones. And that's what he likes building with. And this is his minifigure box right here. This is his main one right here. He takes apart like every single one of his minifigures. And then right here is just like accessory boxes. So you can kind of see what's in there too. But yeah.
Okay guys, so a good tip, if you didn't know, is organize your Lego first by the shape of the piece, and then if you have a lot of that piece, organize it then by color. That just makes it a lot easier for yourself than organizing it by color, just only by color. But yeah, that's a good tip, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.